Hi, I am Villanova Lobo from Purboda Kalangut, businessman and a social worker. Today we are here to extend our support to Datta Prasad Daugulkar only because of the wonderful person that he is. In the last 2 years that he has done work, we are doing a signature project to welcome Kalangut with our dynamic MLA and Minister Michael Lobo. It is the entry of Kalangut on the border of Arpora. So we are trying to welcome the people of to our beautiful village and this signature project, which is a garden landscape and a very colorful fountain coming on the bridge. Very beautiful stand saying "I love Goa." So selfie point. So all these development projects are there. We have on the way connecting through Datta's term. It has gone in the last term. It will complete in the next term. Almost it's halfway done. Work is still going on, and we are working very closely. And he's always wanting to do something for the village, something for the people, and he has also great hopes to get our village to greater heights in the tourism industry. So many things are happening around, but we have to work together to make our village prosper, and I think he has this vision along with our dynamic MLA, and I'm sure that Datta Prasad will give his best, and I think that he's already won, but I request everyone to think about what he can do. A fantastic youth leader, a person. Everyone has flaws, but I'm sure he will give his best this time, and all of us together we are ready to support him and get Kalangut to greater heights along with our dynamic MLA Michael Lobo. And I request you once again to support him and wish Datta on my behalf. Let's support him. Viva. Our symbol is a lotus. Vote for Datta, vote for lotus. Thank you very much.
हांव विनायक नानुस्कर कलंगूट पुर्बवाड्यांतलो. आयज आमी दत्त प्रसादाक लागून भायर सरल्या, जो ZP इलेक्शनाक बसलो तेका लागून. आनी हांव एक टॅक्सीवालो, पूण दत्त प्रसाद असो मनीस की गेल्या 5 वर्सांक तो सगळ्यांक हेल्पफूल. तेजे कडेन कोणीय वचूं, कसलेंय काम सांगूं, तो काम करता. आनी बरो म्हणल्यार तो कोणीय आसो, धाकट्यांतलो धाकटो मनीस आसो, व्हडल्यांतलो व्हडलो, तो सगळ्यांक रिस्पेक्ट दिता. आनी ह्या रिस्पेक्टाक लागून आनी तेच्या कामाक लागून आमी तेका कळंगूटकारांनी जे कलंगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युशन आहा तेंच्यांनी ताका परत एकदां बसयला फुडलीं 5 वर्सां तेच्या हातीन दिवपाक. ताका लागून हांव मागता सगळ्यां कडेन आमच्या कळंगूटचें जें कॉन्स्टिट्युशन आसा, जे आमचे कलंगूट, आरपोरा, मागीर कानोळे, सगळ्यां कडेन मागता की दत्त प्रसादाक BJPच्या कॅन्डिडेटाक पयलींच्या कोण हे फावटी सुबेज मतांनी ताका निवडून हाडचो. आनी जेन्ना सरकार BJPचो आहा, आमचो कलंगूटचो मिनिस्टर आहा BJPन, जाल्यार तेतूनच पंचायत आमची BJPची आहा. ताका लागून असो जो कामां तर बरी जातली दुसऱ्यांची, आनी एकाच कडेन हेच्या कडेन तेच्या कडेन वचपाची कांयच गरज ना. एकूच सगळे मेळून एकूच जण सगळे तर BJPचे आसले जाल्यार सगळ्यांकूच बरें. हे फावटी दत्त प्रसादाक आमी गेल्या होऊन हे फावटी ताका सुबेज मतांनी निवडून हाडटले. देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तुमकां सगळ्यांक.